Hi everyone, I'm Phil Karen with Club and Resort Business. Hope everyone's having a great summer so far. And if you're out on the golf course or tennis court or doing some other outdoor activity, it's great to have a product with you that helps keep you cool. And we have that here today with an unboxing coming from Tri-C Club Supply, also known as Duffy's. We're going to open this thing up. And I know within here we have several of these items, but what they are called Koala Kool towels. Koala Kool towels from Tri-C Club Supply. And what these are, they're single-use, 100% cotton. They contain eucalyptus essential oil. You freeze the towel, then you unroll it, and it's large enough that it actually fits around your neck and keeps you cool on a hot summer day. If you're a club, you have somebody driving around with a refreshment cart, they, of course, can keep these towels in the cooler and sell them to golfers. Great item, of course, also for the pro shop. If you have a golfer or tennis player getting ready to head out onto the links or the court, they can purchase one of these, store it in a cooler or whatever, get it out when the time's right. Definitely would come in handy. I was just down in Myrtle Beach, South Carolina myself. Played 18 holes of golf with my sons. It was a hot summer day, mid-80s. I wouldn't call it unbearably hot, but I tell you what, this would have come in really handy down there, and I will definitely try these out the next time I'm going to play golf on a hot summer day. You can learn more about this product at duffystric.com. That's duffystric.com. But before you do that, do me a favor, hit the like button here below and subscribe to our channel. You can get news about other new products in the food and beverage area, pro shop area, anything else that a club can do to help make the experience for both members and guests a great one. Until then, take care, stay well, and have a great day.